In this video, we are coming to you from Hidden Falls Adventure Park, located near Marble Falls, Texas. Spans approximately 2,100 acres and offers over 240 miles of off-road trails. Here we're pulling up to the general store to meet up with some friends who have offered to show us around the park. The general store is located in Area B and it's a great place to air down. From here we're going to head out up Park Road 1 to North Peak to make our way up the North Pole. Leading the way for us in the Blue Gladiator is Luis Cacho. We were fortunate enough to meet him in a Facebook group, and when we made mention we were going to be heading down to Hidden Falls, he graciously offered to show us around. We all know Jeepers love to Jeep, and some Jeepers love to teach other Jeepers, and we're very thankful for that.
You're definitely taking a harder line than me. You know that, right? Okay. Try it, front lockers maybe. There's a big climb over here. But right now it's touching, but you might be able to do it. No, it's a buffer. Maybe you probably need to either, you can make it over here, you can somehow back up a little bit more. If you manage to put your driver here, your driver tire, or back up and take my line. I don't think you're making it in the middle. Oh, there you go, there you go. Alright, take it easy, take it easy. You're right here, let me see what's on the other side.
We're good.
Alright, go ahead and climb it. There you go, up top, got it!
At this point, we're going to take a detour and head up Wet and Wild, backtrack up to No Name before finishing off the North Pole. Here we are back on the North Pole Trail to ride it to the end. But our buddy Luis is going to take us on up a hill that's a little off map to give us a great overlook of the park. Looks like it's going to take some lockers and a little momentum to get up this hill.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Just like hiking, the views are always worth the climb. We'll be back in our next video for the rest of our adventures on day one with Luis and the gang as we tackle Bronco Buster and a few other trails. See you next time.